I tend to believe that when you actually take real live stories from your interviews and incorporate those into the interactive story, it's going to resonate much more strongly with the target audience. Because you're not just pulling out some, hey, we're all secret agents and we're doing this like laser tag thing. And, then it devolves. It's not real life to them anymore. And I mean, it can be fun. But when you actually show them a real working environment and the heroes encountering real problems, that's where I think you're going to get the most traction for your company, and you'll get the best ROI, and you will be perceived as a valuable contributor to the organization because of that. If you were doing something that has to do with call center training, as you interview people who are actual call center representatives and you start asking them about, what's a time that they encountered such and such problem and what happened, when they made a bad decision, and they tell you those stories populate what happens to the hero in your story. Because your hero is a kind of a conglomeration of all the people